This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Heliad AG, showing the process step by step. Heliad AG is listed on Xetra under the ticker A7ADE. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker A7A.de to find Heliad AG. Select the correct listing from the search results to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Verify the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker A7A.de before proceeding. Click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the description below if you want to explore the platform.